What if I told you that, according to the laws of physics, none of this should exist? Not stars, not galaxies, not you. According to math, the universe should have destroyed itself the instant it was born. Every particle should have been cancelled out. Everything should have returned to absolute nothing. And yet, here we are. Tonight, we're diving into one of the biggest paradoxes in modern science, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you why the universe exists at all. Let's rewind to the beginning. The Big Bang didn't just create matter, it created matter and antimatter in equal amounts, and that's a problem, because when matter and antimatter touch, they annihilate each other. No explosion, no leftovers, just pure energy. So, according to physics, the early universe should have vanished in a flash, a perfect cosmic tie, zero matter left behind. But clearly, that didn't happen. Physicists call this the matter-antimatter asymmetry problem. The equations say matter and antimatter should be produced in perfect balance. If the universe was fair, every proton would have an antiproton, every electron, a positron, and the result? Total annihilation, no atoms, no stars, no life. Yet somehow for every billion antimatter particles, there was one extra particle of matter. That tiny imbalance is the reason anything exists. But where did it come from? To explain this, scientists propose something radical. Maybe the universe cheated. According to a set of rules called CP violation, the laws of physics don't treat matter and antimatter exactly the same, at extremely high energies, the kind only present moments after the Big Bang. Matter had a slight advantage. Not much, just enough. One extra particle per billion survived annihilation, and over billions of years, those leftovers became everything. But here's the twist. Even CP violation isn't strong enough to explain how much matter we see today. The math still doesn't add up, which means one of two terrifying possibilities. Either there are unknown particles we haven't discovered yet, or the laws of physics are incomplete. In other words, the universe exists because we don't fully understand reality. Some scientists believe the answer lies in dark matter. This invisible substance makes up about 85% of all matter in the universe. Yet, honestly, we don't know what it is. If dark matter behaves differently than normal matter, it could explain the imbalance. Others think entire hidden dimensions influence the early universe, or that physics behaved differently before time itself stabilized. Every explanation points to the same conclusion: something fundamental is missing. So, why does the universe exist? After decades of research, here's the honest answer: we don't know. But the leading theory is this: in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe experienced conditions so extreme that symmetry broke. Matter gained a microscopic edge, just one particle per billion, and that tiny flaw became galaxies, stars, planets, and life. So, according to math, the universe shouldn't exist, but it does because the laws of physics are not perfectly fair. Reality is built on an imbalance, a cosmic mistake. The universe exists because physics broke its own rules. The universe shouldn't exist, but it does because the laws of physics are not perfectly fair. Reality is built on an imbalance, a tiny cosmic mistake, and if that imbalance were even slightly different, this planet, this video, and you would never have existed. If mysteries like this make you see reality differently, like and subscribe to Life and Nature Matters, where space, nature, and science reveal how fragile existence really is. What if I told you? The tiny imbalance that let the universe exist might also be hiding a secret we've never seen. Some scientists think it's connected to dark matter, hidden dimensions, or even parallel universes. In part 2, we'll explore how the universe might be far stranger than we ever imagined, and why it could rewrite everything we know about reality.